song. I'll be sitting where the evening comes, watching the seasons roll in, and I watch them roll away again. Sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for Frisco Bay, 'cause I have nothing to live for. Look like nothing's gonna come my way. Here, just sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. Big life, nothing's gonna change. Everything still remains the same. I can do what people tell me to do, so I guess I remain the same. Sitting here resting my bones, and this loneliness won't leave me alone. It's 2,000 miles I roam, just to make this dock my home. One just to sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time.
Let's learn Dock of the Bay. It's choreographed by Steve Cavanaugh. It is a 32 count, 2-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dock of the Bay. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to kick our right foot low and forward. You're now going to hook your right foot to your left shin, bringing the heel of your right foot to your left shin. We're now going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. We're now going to do that same thing with our left. So you're going to kick your left foot low and forward. You're going to hook your left foot to your right shin, and then you're going to shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, kick, hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover on to your left, and we're going to do a quarter shuffle, turning over our right shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, step your left next to your right, and then step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to weave with a point, so you're going to cross your left over your right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left behind your right, and point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, facing 12 o'clock. Rock quarter shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to weave, crossing our right over our left. Step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, recover onto your left foot, and we're going to do a quarter turning shuffle. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot, to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just pointed our right toe to the right side. You're gonna weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're gonna rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right, and we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. We're now going to do a right rocking chair, so we're gonna rock forward onto our right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left, and that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot. You're gonna do your left rocking coaster step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, and you'll start all over with your kick hook. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your kick hook with your right. Kick, hook, shuffle forward. Kick, hook, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter shuffle, weave, cross, side, behind, point, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, left rock, recover, left coaster, step, right rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your kick hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front walls, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your right kick hook. Kick, hook, shuffle forward. Kick, hook, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter shuffle, weave, cross, side, behind, point, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, left rock, recover, left coaster, step, right rocking chair. Now your kick hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, hook, shuffle forward. Kick, hook, shuffle forward. Rock, recover, quarter shuffle, weave, cross, side, behind, point, weave, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, left rock, recover, left coaster, step, right rocking chair. Now your kick hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so that you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Dock of the Bay. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys. Watching the seasons